Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dathan Days, and today we are here at Kawasaki to test ride the KLX 230. So, as you see, this is an off-road bike, and yeah, this is a pretty tall bike. At first, when I saw, I was a little skeptical because it's a little difficult off-road bike, a taller bike. It'll be a little bit difficult to flat foot or also keep your foot down, but honestly these springs are so comfortable and so bouncy that you actually can keep your foot down and balance this bike. It's a pretty light bike. It's around 139 kgs, so a very light bike, and you get a 7.6 liter fuel tank, and this is a 230 cc motorcycle which produces around 18 horsepower and 18 newton meters of torque. You get it in this pretty cool green color, and you can get it registered and get it on road as well. The on road price for this bike is around 4,12,000, but that also depends on which part of India that you are located in. The price might differ. So talking to you a little on the bike, this you sit a little upright. You get a LCD display here which is pretty basic. You get only your gear numbers, your speed, and the engine lights, that is your ABS light and your engine light and all these various kinds of lights. Handlebar is also very simple. You have the ABS on off. You get a kill switch here, your start stop button, and your horn as well. So very basic, and you get this retro style mirrors as well. Apart from that, it gets LED headlights and tail lights and the indicators as well. It's got a slight retro touch to the bike, but a pretty cool motorcycle. And actually it's a pretty good motorcycle to start off your off-road career with and your dirt biking career with. So without further ado, I think let's switch on the bike and give you a listen to how the bike sounds, because it's a 230cc engine, a pretty small engine, but then it sounds pretty well. In order to hear the bike, you'll have to sit on the bike. So while sitting on the bike, let me give you an first impression as to how it feels when you sit on this bike. So firstly, you can't sit on this bike when you have the side stand down, because it is at the highest spring setting, and the side stand is also pretty tall. So what you have to do is you'll have to lift up the bike, take it off the side stand, and then swing your leg over. And as you see, it has pretty good springs and it's really comfortable. For Indian roads, it's pretty well made. So yeah, as you see, I can touch my feet down on the ground, and if you have a pillion on the bike, it goes even more lower, which makes it very comfortable even for the pillion and the rider as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's hear how the bike sounds. That's the video on the Kawasaki KLX 230. Hope you'll enjoy the video. Stay tuned. There are more updates coming in. See you in the next one.